Okay, this video is trying to build some information about the relationship between ISA and EIT, IDC. So this is really what I want to try and get through in this presentation on this rather cold day in Perth in Western Australia. I just want to back up a bit about the relationship. One of the challenges we have with all our degree programs and our diploma programs is accreditation. Accreditation is absolutely critical, especially in the online world because of the problems that you've got with diploma mills and all the other shonky operators out there. So credibility and accreditation is absolutely critical. Now there's great resistance in Australia and I might add in the UK and other countries to accrediting for-profit colleges such as EIT. So it's quite a challenging process. So we've created a whole range of qualifications in conjunction with a lot of very good universities, and I'll list them in a few seconds. But we need the ISA on board to help us get degrees, programs and other programs accredited. The ISA are a key player with ABET in getting engineering degrees accredited. So we believe getting bachelor and master degrees accredited with the ISA is definitely a way forward. We've formed relationships with a lot of universities, and Stony Brook, or State University of New York, Stony Brook, Hull University in the UK, which is one of the top 10 engineering colleges in the UK, and in Australia we've got relationships with a few universities, particularly Murdoch University, who focus on industrial automation. So we've got some really good relationships going there. And indeed, we've also got accreditation from various organisations around the world for our diploma programs. And I just want to emphasise again the structure we've got. We've got a certificate, which is probably the bottom end. It's a 3-month course. Then we've got diplomas, which generally take 12 months, and then advanced diplomas, which are 18 months, and then a degree, which takes typically 4 years full-time, and then finally a master degree, which is generally of the order of 2 years. And there's also a precursor to the master degree, which is a graduate certificate, which is six months, and a graduate diploma, which is not well known in the States, which is a 12-month program. So those are nested within the master degree. So what we're looking for with the ISA is to form a close relationship, particularly with the master degrees, to get the ISA to give us the blessing in a joint venture and to run these programs on a worldwide basis. We absolutely believe that the ISA have enormous credibility in the industrial automation area and indeed electrical engineering generally. So there's an enormous opportunity here to expand the programs on an online basis throughout the world with the ISA. So we're keen to work with the ISA on that basis. The main difference between our online programs and that of most universities is that they're highly interactive. So you have weekly sessions, tutorial sessions with live instructors using web and video conferencing. And we'll give you some examples in this video, thanks to Carolina, who organised that. And we have simulation software which students then download, and then we have remote labs. And the remote labs range from students hooking up Modbus at their client at home or at work, and then interfacing through to our labs here in Perth or wherever they're set up. So there's a lot of hands-on experience. And let's face it, in the future, the remote engineer is becoming a key player, so having remote skills is the way to go. So I think that sort of gives you a bit of a background to who we are. We'll give you a summary of the structure of these programs shortly on another few slides. But as I say, in essence, we're very, very keen to work with the ISA in going forward here. There's an enormous opportunity to have literally hundreds, thousands of students, particularly the master degrees and the bachelor degrees on a worldwide basis, which are vocationally or job-focused, hands-on sort of training and education. Thank you very much.